Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Science S. The topic is geometrical shapes and the subtopic is properties of parallelogram. In the previous video we have already talked about the type of quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral we have already discussed about the parallelogram. Please watch the video till the end so that some special properties of the parallelogram will be clear. Let's come to the point. First is parallelogram. In the parallelogram, if we draw the diagonals, all the diagonals will intersect each other at the midpoint. It means that this will be the midpoint. O will be the midpoint, and AO will be equal to OC, and BO will be equal to OD. And in this case also, in all the cases it is same, but in case of rectangle the diagonal intersect at midpoint and the length of the diagonals are same, means the length of AC is equal to BD. But in case of this parallelogram it is not equal, but they intersect at the midpoint. In case of square, the diagonals intersect each other at the midpoint, but they form 90 degree. It means that the diagonals intersect each other at 90. It means that the diagonal AC intersect BD at perpendicular. They are intersecting at perpendicular. They are perpendicular to each other. In the case of rhombus also, they intersect at 90 degree and they intersect at 90 degree. It means diagonal AC is perpendicular to diagonal BD. In all the cases we have seen that the diagonal intersect each other at the midpoint, that is O is the midpoint in all the cases. But in case of rhombus and square, the diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. But in case of square and rhombus, they intersect each other at 90 degree. But in case of parallelogram and rectangle, they intersect at midpoint but not at 90 degree. So the concept of these properties of parallelogram is clear, I think. This properties is needed in solving the problem, some problems in the future. So let's come to the another point, that is kite. In case of kite also, the diagonals intersect at 90 degree. They are perpendicular to 90 degree, but the length of the diagonals are not same. They do not intersect at the midpoint. In case of kite, the rhombus intersect each other at 90 degree. It means that the rhombus AC is perpendicular to BD, but they do not intersect each other in the midpoint. This point should be noted in the case of kite. So the friend, I think the properties, some special properties of parallelogram is clear. So the friends, you have seen that how interesting the geometrical shapes are and how interesting their properties are. If you go on learning these properties, it will be required in solving some problem as well as solving some question also in future. It is very interesting. So keep on watching my video, so some interesting properties you can come to know. If you like the video, then please press the like button and please subscribe the channel. Also please press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.